exposing the magic in Ireland's untamed beauty. Let's dive into the landscapes that dreams are made of. Imagine stepping into a world where every corner whispers a story. From the rolling hills of the countryside to the awe-inspiring cliffs of Moher, Ireland's landscapes are nothing short of enchanting. Picture yourself wandering through ancient forests with sunlight filtering through the leaves, or feeling the ocean breeze as you gaze out over rugged coastlines. With LABUSAtravel, this dream becomes reality. We specialize in creating seamless and affordable group travel experiences, ensuring you can explore Ireland's breathtaking beauty without the hassle. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or colleagues, our curated itineraries offer a perfect blend of luxury and adventure. Discover hidden gems, connect with local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. At LABUSAtravel, we believe that world-class destinations should be within reach for everyone, so why wait? Visit LABUSAtravel.com today and start planning your unforgettable Irish adventure. Your story starts here.